Copy text from image file. Open the Google app, tap the camera icon, tap the image that has a text, and tap the text option at the bottom, and tap select all, and then tap copy text. As you can see, na-copy na siya. You have to open Microsoft Word para dito na to i-paste ang atoang copied text. Create a new file, blank document, and then paste. So naanatay text